Hey guys, it's your girl Minsky and welcome back to another vlog. Well, for today's video, we'll be making a cake. It's just blueberry and you want cherry also?
Yeah.
Blueberry and cherry cream cake. So actually the cake will just be broas. So it's gonna be easier. So I have here Kiddos. Say hi.
And Shorty.
And Shotty. So now we will be getting the...
Wow, my turn.
We'll get the blueberry and cherry ba? The frozen one. Can you get? Blueberry. And where's the cherry? I put it back. It's beside it to. The small one. Wow! Just get the cherry man! There
Where?
man out there. The small one.
I'm already chilling.
See, it's so cold. This one lang, oh. Enough na. No more. No more. We're closing. Can you hold that, please? Thank you. So, we have now the blueberries. The frozen blueberries from harvest time. We'll just put like half cup sa pan. So, now we have it in the pan. And Shotty will put the sugar. Sige.
Mix.
One more. No. You don't need mix. Later pa.
Ninang, which is the newest one?
Again. One more.
The
That's
small
too
or the
small.
big one?
Which one?
Which is better, the small or the big?
Well, the small can capture wider. Do not do that. Just lower. Okay, I think that's enough na. Okay, so now we'll just... Careful ha, it's hot ha. Turn it on. Then switch function to
Not
milk.
hot?
So that it will be 80 degrees only. Oh, you mix na, you mix. Mix. Ninang will just hold this and you mix ha. Shots, you mix after. Where are you going?
Can you mix, Ninang?
So we'll just cook this a little bit, then let it defrost para lang mag-watery siya. Guys, wala tong recipe ha. Gawa-gawa ko lang to. Para lang magkaroon ng gagawin itong mga bugoys, pero mukhang ako lang yung gumagawa. Shotty is mixing the blueberries. Good job, Shots. Can I?
No.
Why? Only you?
How?
Oh, you show me how. Okay, how?
Like that.
This is how you mix. Busy po siya, oh.
Ninang, I do great.
Oh, you don't like? Mga ano to, artista, ayaw daw nila. So, dapat gagawa kami ng sarili namin whipped cream using this one. Kaso wala na tayong time. So, ito na lang. Meron na ready na. Careful ha, that's hot ha. Meron ng whipped cream na nasa can by and one. Ito na lang gagamitin natin. So, currently, yung blueberries, sabay-sabay po sila nagsasalita. Do not put it closer here. So, just wait for this to boil and we can use it already, no? Just wait for it to boil, ha? Let's mix the ano na, the cake. Can you hold this? Yeah. Go down na, go inside the room. Sige na. Why you don't want? Come on. Careful lang, careful. Good job. We will put a little bit para mag-stick down itong blow-as
It's not
dito.
broken, shot. Oh, I'll show you.
Ay, here man, you put it here.
No. Not working?
Wala, ayaw na. wala tayong whipping cream.
I use this one.
Which one?
I use this one. I check.
Why? Si, thermometer na yung whipping cream. Check the temperature. Wow!
Ayan.
Ayaw mag-work. So, instead of whipping cream, yogurt na lang.
Put here.
Oh, you put the yogurt. Come on.
I'll show you how.
Okay, you show everyone how to put the yogurt. Wow! Okay, that's enough first. Okay. Now, we put our first layer of
What?
ladyfinger. This one, we put man, ha? We put na. Come here. Shot, where are you? Help me now.
This one.
No, don't put it down. Only this one.
Okay.
Okay, now so we will put the ladyfinger on top of the yogurt.
But did that put
Ninang will show it. Ninang will show first, ha? Like that lang.
put juice?
No, you do not put juice. That's yucky, man. Oh, you help Ninang. You put two more. Two more here. Two more. Yeah.
With 10? Okay.
Oh, one. No, ay! Not like that. You look at Ninang. Like that, oh. You layer. One more here.
Okay. Okay.
Good job. Okay, that's enough. Now we will put the blueberries. We will put this blueberry on top of this
Which
one.
one?
Shotty wants to put this.
Not hot. It's not hot.
It's not. It's hot. That's why Ninang is the one putting it.
Why put the juice? That hot means put the juice.
Yeah, I'll put juice so that the broas. Oh, careful ha. That's hot ha.
I don't care blueberry juice.
So the broas will be
Whoa.
soft.
Can I mix? A total mix?
Okay, now Shotty will put more yogurt. Enough with the just one shots.
More yogurt?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Yay!
Wow. You spread it like that.
Whoa!
Whoa. Oh, enough na.
Ah! So big!
Tuwa siya. Then Ninang will just use the lady finger to spread the
Put here.
yogurt.
Here.
Wait. I'll just spread just a little bit ha.
Bread.
Yeah, spread.
Spread the bread. Okay. Spread bread.
Okay, last layer. Oh, you put 2 more lady fingers on top shots. Here,
Okay.
2 more. This one, it's lady finger.
One mix.
Like this one, ha?
Okay.
Look at Ninang. Wow, very good.
Oh,
Good job. One more. One last here. Then we'll put blueberries again on top.
more.
Okay, good
More
job.
berries.
Yes, we will put more
Why put the
blueberries.
We will need to cool the blueberries. Ninang, why mixing? Mixing?
We're done mixing man na.
Hmm.
You like mixing things?
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa! Put the yogurt?
You want another layer of yogurt?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put another layer so I can put the last layer of
I
blueberry.
want slime.
Ay! Careful! Oh, enough na, enough! But how are we going to spread? We have to put another layer na tuloy.
Another
Yeah, let's just put another layer.
layer?
Yeah. Wait. Let Ninang spread. Oh, can you put more?
Some?
The yogurt, please.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. I want the right Ninang.
You hold down. You hold, You hold properly.
I'm looking Ninang.
Okay, enough. Thank you.
Do we need the bread?
This is lady finger.
Three fingers.
Lady finger is used to make tiramisu. Tiramisu is made of
Is it okay
coffee. Yeah, it's okay.
But more.
Oh, you put 2 more.
Some?
Yes po.
Okay. This for
One more. In the middle. Good job. One more. Ay, may pagsubo.
what?
One last on top. Thank you. Okay, now we put the last blueberry syrup on top. Di ba meron akong batang videographer?
I put it here.
Okay, you show them how to pour the ano.
Point.
Okay, can eat. Wow. Yeah.
Okay.
You have to eat man with the bread
Hmm.
and yogurt. You have to taste everything. How will you know if it's yummy? Oh, I put more blueberries na lang. Oh, there's a lot na here, oh. Oh. You try lang. Sige na. Wow. Oh, Ninang mo lang.
Yummy?
In fairness, pwede. Retaste ba, oy? You only like the blueberry? Sana hindi na lang tayo nag-make. Blueberry na lang ang niluto ni Ninang. How about kayo, then you try?
What happens if I pull your hair?
Ah. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Look at the camera.
Yeah.
Yum.
Yeah.
Sige na. Yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, you eat it pa.
Okay.
Or just one lang. Oh.
Like this one.
Oh, like this one, oh, one lang, one. Yummy?
Yeah.
See? Oh, now you will eat with the bread, ha? Buti na lang maliit lang ginawa. You say that is it, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.